Hey, so in this video, we're going to be going over like how you guys should be, organizing your list. It's going to be make it a little easier for you guys when you upload the one-liners and upload your list in there. Now, you can either do this after you've already uploaded the list, or you can do it before. It just depends on what you want to do with your workflow. Because if you upload the same list, it'll go off the email addresses that it does, that it uploads. So it won't make two leads out of the list. So you can just upload and map the one-liner separately. So you can do that as well. So what I like to do is I like to just go through and just separate this so I can see all the data a little bit easier. I just like this because some of the stuff you can just get rid of, right? So you can do that, the address, so you can see what the address is. So I just pull them over until like it takes in, so you can actually read all the data very, very easily. Some of the stuff you're not going to need, like the phone numbers. We don't want to go that into the contacts, and the contacts we want to be able to read very good as well. So we can see contact name and then the full email address as well. And this is just so you guys can organize your list a little bit better, and get rid of some of the stuff that you don't need in the list. So there we go. Heating and air conditioning category. Websites, we want to organize that. So this is, I built these one-liners off the websites. As you can see, all the one-liners are over here, and I built them off the website. So I wanted to organize I just organized which ones had websites and which ones didn't. So what you can do is you can just highlight this whole column with all the websites, so your whole list. So as you can see, a lot of the list doesn't have websites. So what you would do is you come up into sort and filter, and then you just go sort filter A to Z, and then it'll go A to Z on what the websites are. So this is a way for you to organize. Make sure all the websites come up to the top, because that's what I want to have is the websites, because I created the one-liners off the websites specifically. And then that way, what you would do is you just go line by line. Now, if you're using the tool, then you just upload the list as is, and it will take the emails, it will take the ones with websites, and it'll make the one-liners. But if you're doing it one by one, what you want to do is filter the ones with websites all the way to the top like this, because then it's easier for you to just go down line by line. You just go like that. You go to their website, create a one-liner based off their website, whatever the case is, and then you would write that one-liner over here in this space. So make a new column that's I had this one as warmer AI personalizations, because that's who I got them built from. It was that tool. So that's why I just named that at the top. And then I had all the one-liners in here. Now, this is what you're going to be mapping when you upload it into Entrasoft, right? So just want you guys know that. So just make sure you organize the list to get to the very top. So all the emails, all of the websites, however you guys are building these one-liners. Maybe if it's LinkedIn profiles, as you can see over here, there's LinkedIn profiles. So I could do another search like this and just bring all the ones with LinkedIn profiles to the top, right? So we go sort filter and sort A to Z. So what it would do is it would bring all the ones with LinkedIn profiles to the top. Sort. See? It brought all the ones with the LinkedIn profiles right to the top. So that way I could just go by, bam, 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 make the ones with the LinkedIn profiles, go to the LinkedIn profile, make the one-liner, and then put it into the spreadsheet right next to it. So what you want to do is go through. As you can see, I need to get my VA to go through and get all the emails, websites, and all that stuff for all these other companies, because it only got websites and everything for a certain amount of them. So that's something we have to verify the list, go through. But this is just a sample list. I'm just doing this to show you guys as a sample. And then you build the one-liners based off of, in the AI tool, you can either do websites, or you can do LinkedIn profiles. But I do that Norns AI that I'm going to be doing a video on, that you can do actually more stuff. You can do it on emails. You can do it on a whole bunch of other different factors. Or you guys can do it one by one and go through and build these one-liners yourself. One of the best ways you guys can build these one-liners is based off the website. You go to the website, read a blog post that's on their website, and then make the one-liner about, hey, I love this blog post about this subject. And then that's a great one-liner, because it just shows that you actually went to their website, you're reading their content and that kind of thing. So that's a very, very good way to do it. So that's as easy as it is to really get in there and just organize your list. Just organize it. I like to organize it and filter it so all of the data that I want, websites or LinkedIn profiles or however you guys are building the one-liners, goes to the very top, so it's easier for you to go and build the one-liners, because all you got to do is just copy this, go to the website, build the one-liner, put it on and when you just highlight the whole side so you know it's in the right spot, you go to that website, build the one-liner, type it in here, then you go line by line by line and do all of them. Or if you're using the tool, you just upload the list once you have it all organized, and it'll build them and bring them all to the top. So that's basically, just a really quick rundown of like what's a good way you guys can, organize a list, get it in a good spot to be able to upload. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload this and map this to the one-liner that we created in the previous videos. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.